Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating some badge holders. But first, I'm going to show you some products that I was sent by this company called Beebeecraft. And these are different size syringes where you can use to put your glue in when you're doing small projects like the badge holders. So they sent me 5 different size syringes. The 30, 20, 10, 5, and 3 milliliters. And they also sent me these attachments to go on the syringe. So you got the plastic attachments, and then you have the one that has the blunt tip. Just depends on what you're working with. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my clear E6000 glue. So like I said, they it's a craft company, and they have very nice craft supplies. I have to go and do a review after I finish this video. So they have a YouTube program where they're asking crafters to review their products, and the only requirement is you have to have at least 100 subscribers. I'll have all the information about this company in my description box. Just click on the link and join, and they will start sending you products to review. And I love everything that I've gotten from this company. You know, I always give honest reviews, so I love everything that I've gotten. I got some vinyl, these syringes, and these attachments, and I also got some tools for my Cricut. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into this tutorial. This is a badge holder that I had previously decorated. So I have some large gems on the front side, and I was covering them up with these smaller gems, and I realized that I didn't cover up one of them, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And also, I have a YouTuber that I watch. She's a sweetheart. I love her videos. Very informative. I've been decorating badge holders for over 5 years, but now I'm just now getting into the more blinged out badge holders, and I watch her channel to get some inspiration. So this is it's called a jewel picker, but you're supposed to be able to pick up the gems with it. But this small end, I pulled the rubber off of it, so I'm having a hard time with that one. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and purchase me a new one. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and use the larger end. That's for the larger gems. So it just helps you to pick up your gems and your rhinestone, like so. So yeah, like I was saying, the young lady's channel that I watch, her name is Truly Jam, and she does beautiful work, very neat. And so I'm gonna go ahead and link her channel in the description box also, and go check out her channel for more inspiration. If you're someone who's looking for a way to make some money on the side, consider decorating badge holders, especially if you work in healthcare. I just love crafting, so I love decorating the badge holders. I just got the idea one day. I was at work and I was looking at that plain badge holder that I had, and I was like, I'm gonna go home and put me some ribbons or something on this badge holder. And from there, I just been decorating them. You can decorate them any style you like, just whatever you want to do. And so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna do this green badge holder. So as you can see, that attachment that I put on the syringe is very much needed, because of the type syringe that it will be too much glue coming out at one time. So right here, originally I didn't put enough glue because I wasn't sure if I was going to use the small or the medium gems, and so I ended up having to go back off camera and put some more glue down, because you want it to stick very well, especially if you're trying to sell it. So yeah, I'll be selling these in my Etsy shop. I also have that linked in the description box. So after you finish this video, just check out my description box. So in the description box, I will have the information for Beebeecraft company and their YouTube partner program. And I'll have a link to Truly Jam's channel. She inspires me to go ahead and keep decorating. And I'll also have a link to my Etsy shop where you can purchase one of these cute badge holders. So I'm going to finish decorating and let you enjoy the music.